Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights, heads up display controls, leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, audio controls, forward collision warning. We have a nice large digital gauge cluster, push button ignition. Over 13 inches of touchscreen now available in the Sierras using the Google operating system. Apple Carplay, Android Auto still available. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Massive ignition on off. You have lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start. Vehicle is equipped with the automatic shifter knob. Your integrated trailer braking system, all black interior with the wood bronze finish there for the AT4. Dual glove box, AT4 branded floor liners, a Bose audio, and our leather heated ventilated AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. We have the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tire, color match door handles, keyless entry up front, AT4 badging, Sierra terrain running boards, Duramax plaque on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift, making room for the big wheel and tire package. Up front, you have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. AT4 branded grille with the red recovery hooks, parking sensors, and a camera system. Making our way back down the side, rear tint and privacy windows with remote, with a blacked out window trim. This truck does have remote start as well. You have a tri-fold hardtop bed cover installed here at the dealership, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well in-seat storage feature. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting. We have dual heated seats, USB ports, rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.